all set for the digital transition and new market conditions with the business-proven methods of the Siemens Development System, or SDS for short. SDS is helping Siemens become an innovation leader and a digital champion. As a product owner, Ms. Morrison is responsible for the product success. Part of her work is to manage the product backlog. This means she always needs to keep track of all requirements for her new product. But they are complex, and before it is finally delivered to the customer, there is still a long way to go. Until the team has completed implementation and testing, various aspects of the original requirements can still change. That's where Scrum comes in. Instead of just working towards the final product, the employees focus on incremental steps in separate stages known as sprints. Success is ensured through empowered but aligned teams via defined roles, tools, and methods. The key roles are the product owner and her team, as well as the Scrum Master. This person advises the employees and helps them organize themselves. The team of 3 to maximal 9 members is fully empowered. The customer or a representative provides feedback at the end of each sprint, influencing the further development of the project. Each sprint lasts at most 4 weeks in software development and up to 12 weeks in hardware development. The product owner ranks all tasks for the sprint backlog, the requirements with the highest priority. These are implemented and tested immediately. Then, at the end of each sprint, there is a complete subproduct, which is provided to the product owner or customer for immediate feedback. The long-term plan, known as the product backlog, is periodically adapted to current specifications by the product owner. For each sprint, the employees use proven Scrum techniques. Before a new sprint, they discuss how they will proceed. Over the next weeks, stand-up meetings allow them to openly discuss their progress. When a sprint is over, everyone evaluates the subproduct in the sprint review. If it still needs improvement, the product owner adds it to the backlog for the team's next sprint. Then, in the retrospective, the team discusses how it can improve the collaboration and the analysis even more. Constant discussion and mutual support are the basic conditions for success. That's how Ms. Morrison and her team achieve the project goal in manageable stages. With Scrum, regular feedback allows them to find mistakes and adapt solutions right away, so that they approach the final product more quickly than if they try to do everything at once. Meanwhile, the project's progress is always transparent to everyone involved as well as the customer. Do you want to make complex projects easier to handle? Contact the SDS manager of your business unit. You can also find more information about Scrum on the intranet.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.